Let's meet the newest Galaxy innovations.
The Galaxy Ring, our latest innovation in health, powered by AI. This is the pinnacle of unobtrusive health technology. Designed to be worn 24/7, the Galaxy Ring is lightweight and comfortable so that you can track your health throughout the day and the night.
It's a revolutionary device that consolidates Samsung health features into a sleek and lightweight design. It sets a new standard for wearable health, and it will be available at $399 US.
Introducing the Galaxy Watch Ultra.
The Galaxy Watch Ultra is the ideal choice for adventure across different climates, temperatures, and altitudes. It's rugged and robust, engineered to withstand the stresses and impacts of a life lived to the max. It lasts up to 100 hours in power-saving mode. The Galaxy Watch Ultra introduces our first precision dual-frequency GPS system, which uses 2 satellite signals with different coverages for minimal information loss and clear-cut accuracy. The Galaxy Watch Ultra offers state-of-the-art technology for athletes who really want to fine-tune their training programs. If you're a cyclist, taking your training to the next level begins with your functional threshold power, or FTP metric, which is effectively the maximum power you can sustain on a bike for an hour. With the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Samsung Health, you can get your personalized FTP by cycling for just 4 minutes. It's the first of its kind to be authorized by the US FDA for detecting signs of sleep apnea, a condition that, if left untreated, can deprive your organs of oxygen that they need to stay healthy. Thanks to our new sensor, we're now able to also provide your AGE index, a set of biomarkers that are vital in predicting potential long-term health risks. They are a key metric in understanding how diet and activity are impacting our health. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be available at $649 US.
The Galaxy Z6 series introduces Galaxy AI into our most powerful foldables. With the power of Galaxy AI, we're proud to unfold a new era of productivity and creativity. Since the introduction of Circle to Search with Google in January, it's become a new, easier way for people to search, whether images, texts, or videos, with millions of people doing it daily. I use it all the time. I'm sure you can relate to a moment where you see someone wearing something you really love, like a pair of sunglasses. Circle to Search allows me to find a pair and even tells me where I can buy them. And I'm excited to share that Circle to Search is taking how we discover and explore the world around us to the next level. While traveling, have you ever been in a situation where the entire menu was in the local language you just couldn't understand? Now, with a simple long press, you can translate everything on the screen. And you can even just highlight an item to learn more about it. Circle to Search comes in handy for parents and kids as well. I'm sure some parents might recognize what's on the screen behind me. Homework time. Circle to Search can help you learn. You just circle a problem and step by step, learn how to get the solution. It doesn't just give them the answer. Instead, it gives a clear and simple route to learning.
There are so many ways to get help from Gemini. You can talk, type, or use a photo. You can even use it with YouTube. Let me give you an example. I'm really excited for breakdancing in the Paris Games. I've been watching lots of YouTube videos of Sunny Choi, who's a breaker for Team USA, like this one, about her journey to Paris. Since Gemini understands context, soon it will provide relevant suggestions, like ask about this video. So I can say, what sport was she in before breaking? Gemini finds the answer in the video. Right, she started as a gymnast. On the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the large immersive screen is perfect for multitasking. So you can watch a video in full screen, and soon you'll be able to move the Gemini overlay to a side panel, so it can help you with what you're doing. I can't wait to watch Sunny this summer. In fact, it'd be fun to throw a watch party with my friends and family. Thanks to Gemini, what normally takes hours, I can now do in seconds. So I can say, help me plan a watch party for the break dancing competition in Paris this summer. I'd like themed decorations, food, and some party games. With deep integration across Google Apps like Gmail, Docs, Maps, Drive, and beyond, Gemini can do more for you through extensions. So it can help you take action, like, where can I get some French pastries in Seattle, Washington? Gemini works with Google Maps to finish the task.
As you've just seen, the large screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, combined with the power of AI, opens up a whole new way to be productive. For example, Composer makes drafting emails easier. All I have to do is provide a short prompt, and Composer will draft a whole email for me. So if I say, write Jenny a thank you note for her amazing presentation regarding Gemini at Unpacked, by using a simple verbal or text prompt, Composer will generate a whole email with context-relevant information to get me started. I couldn't have put it better myself. Even if you're a quick note taker, it doesn't hurt to have some assistance. The voice recorder is now integrated directly into Samsung Notes, so you can record, transcribe, and summarize all from a single app. Let's take these meeting notes here. Galaxy AI helps you transcribe the recording, even separating up to 10 individual speakers. The transcript and your notes automatically sync to the audio, so you can follow along while playing back the recording. You can also create a quick summary of the transcript right into Samsung Notes. Whether you're in the middle of a lecture or attending a meeting, you'll never miss an important discussion again. This is a new Galaxy AI feature that we call Sketch to Image. It was created specifically to harness the power of AI to help bring your imagination to life. Simply sketch on a blank canvas. Galaxy AI understands what you're trying to draw and generates images in different styles for you to choose from. This also works on your photos. You can add real-life objects by sketching a rough outline. Take this photo of the River Seine, where we sketched a boat on the water. It's turned the sketch into a stunning image of a riverboat. Photo Assist identifies portraits and recommends how you can reimagine them in different styles. You just have to pick which one you like the best. Now, I think we've got the actor Sydney Sweeney in the audience today. Hey, Sydney, are you there?
Hi, I'm over here.
Welcome to Unpacked.
Thank you.
We've used your portrait to generate a 3D image. Should we take a look? What do you think?
Oh, I love it. It's amazing they can take an image like this.
You look absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, thank you so much for joining us today. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, experience unique AI features on a large screen. It promises to transform your productivity with style.
The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a powerful medium for self-expression. From design to construction, we've reimagined the Galaxy Z Flip 6 to deliver all the incredible innovations of Galaxy AI to our users, with uncompromised upgrades in hardware, starting with the camera. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with a 50-megapixel wide sensor and a wide-ranging suite of AI tools, powered by the all-new Pro Visual Engine. It uses AI to detect objects, analyze lighting conditions, and isolate delicate facial features. This optimizes the image by making sure the face is properly lit and the skin tones are natural. With the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it's easier than ever to capture photos and videos hands-free, thanks to the FlexCam, a signature part of our foldable experience. The new FlexCam with Auto Zoom automatically finds the best scene for your shot by detecting the subject and zooming in and out before making any necessary adjustments. Galaxy AI gives you the ability to slow down time with instant slow-mo. The Pro Visual Engine intelligently generates additional frames based on movement, helping you enjoy each moment for longer. These AI camera experiences put state-of-the-art image processing in the palm of your hand, all powered by an efficient new processor. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 packs more power into its compact design than any previous flip. It comes with the fastest and most power-efficient processor on a Z Flip yet. And with the inclusion of a vapor chamber for the very first time, performance is optimized, and the battery is able to keep up with you all day. Translation isn't just for text and calls. We also need it when we're face-to-face. By using both screens, two people can have a conversation with instant translations, because the Flex window provides immediate on-screen subtitles. And with our Galaxy Buds, you'll be able to hear voice-to-voice translations in real time. And because privacy is fundamental to good communication, we've specifically constructed Live Translate and Interpreter to be on the device.
With our new foldables, we're unfolding a new chapter of Galaxy AI. Discover new ways to express yourself with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available starting at $1,099 and $1,899 US, respectively.
It's an iconic and sleek design to match ultimate comfort. Did you know that the human ear is as unique as a fingerprint? To develop the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, we undertook extensive research into the diversity of shapes common to the human ear. We then subjected that raw data to AI-powered analysis and computational design. This computational design process allowed us to make a quantum leap forward in wearability. But ear shape and fit are only one side of the story, because the way you wear your buds also impacts sound quality. For example, sometimes your buds can be worn loosely or tightly. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro monitor the fit, using the built-in mics to measure sound leakage and dynamically adjust the sound curve and active noise cancellation for the best audio.
They'll be available at $179 and $249 US, respectively. And all of the products you've seen today will be available from July 24th. As part of our dedication to future-proofing our tech, Samsung guarantees 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates.